Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Bali, the dream destination. How are you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you have a fantastic day. It's Bobo here and welcome back to my vlog. In today's video, I want to show you Bakung Sari Street, and this is the street. And then I will take you to the art market and to Kuta Beach. So Bakung Sari Street is located in between Jalan Raya, Kuta and Kuta Beach. And I was filming this video on June 6. It's on Monday morning around 11:25. The temperature is really good. Sunny day today. And over there to my right is Ramayana Hotel, and I do have video about this hotel where you can check them out on my previous videos. Well, I apologize about the noise. There's so many projects going on out there, so it's a little bit deafening for sure. And this is the end of Bakung Sari Street. The next street is called Kartika Plaza Street to my left over there. And the street leads to Bali International Airport. And to my right over here is Kuta Square. We'll show you in a minute. So over there is to Matahari Square. I will walk down to the Kuta Art Market. We'll show you today's situation here at Kuta Art Market. This is the entryway to the market, and as you can see, there are so many work going on in here. Welcome to Kuta Art Market, everybody. Oh my god, I can't believe what I can see here now. So this is the art market. They're tearing them apart. What I want to say is the art market is gone. No more art market, everybody. This is big. It looks like they're gonna do some huge renovations. They're taking apart all of the building. Well, let's take a walk on the beach. We'll show you the beach situation here this morning. So if you guys want to go to Kuta Art Market this time, you'll have to postpone it. They're not here anymore. You gotta go to other market like Legion Art Market or Seminyak Market. This is called Kuta Beach. We'll explore the beach this morning. We'll show you the very current situation here today, and have a look at the water over there. It's so blue, it's so beautiful. And this is the beach walkway here. And you can find there's so many beach bar along here. Actually, I do have video many times about this area where you can check them out on my previous video. And I want to say thanks to every one of you who has been subscribing my channel, supporting my channel so far, as I am nothing without you. If you just find out my channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. One click, it really means a lot to continue my channel. And don't forget to smash the bell button so that you'll be notified in every time I upload a video. And if you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. The water is pretty much flat today, and it's much cleaner, which is nice. I mean, it's so perfect for everyone who wants to swim. Oh my gosh, I can feel the fresh air, beautiful breeze, nice and cool. And this is the area where we used to release baby turtle. You can find some wood carving in here, handicraft. And this is the giant turtle. This is the place where they hatch the turtle egg. Let's check it out. So let's check out the turtle egg in there. I don't see any. So the turtle egg is inside of this big turtle. I can't see it now. Anyway, let's continue to walk. Nggak ada bayi turtle-nya, Pak?
Belum.
Oh, belum ada ya? Apa kabar?
Inilah nanti kalau kita buka.
Oh ya, makasih Pak ya. So he said there is no telling where they gonna release the baby turtle. Anyway, let's continue to walk. Well, I would say the beach bar is not really busy this morning. Maybe just because it's too early. This is almost 12 o'clock. And people, they don't go to the beach bar in the morning, aren't they? Well, everyone, it is time for me to say goodbye to you all. And as per usual, I want to say thanks so much for watching my video. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, and please share with your friend or family that might want to know about this. Some of them must miss Bali, as they are always want to know about Bali. Have a great day, everybody. Take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.